Hey folks, here we are at Cat Scratching with Holly. Here's Holly. She's awake tonight. She's talking to us. You want to talk to us, Holly? You want to talk to us? You got something to say? No? All right. Let's get to scratching. We got a 10 million cash New York State Lottery. Largest instant cash prize. All right. Win up to $10 million. So, to do this, match any of your numbers to the winning numbers. Win the prize as shown. Reveal a coin and win the prize automatically. Reveal 5 times, you win 5 times the prize. Reveal it 10 times, you win 10 times the prize. Reveal a 20x symbol and you win 20 times the prize, and a 50x symbol and win 50 times the prize. So let's see what we got tonight going on. Got a 35. We got a 6, a 28, a 7, and a 14. 15, 3, 8, 32, and 17. All right. Let's start scratching. 26, no. 31, 21, 29, 39. Nothing in the first row. 36, 37, how about a nice 35, 34, no, went all around the one we have, a 2, a 23, nothing yet, 27, 22, unlucky 13, 11, 18, last row, 24, 16, 25, number 1, last one, 33. So it looks like nothing on that ticket. All right, folks, if you like what we do, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll do this for you every day. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.